apple cider vinegar for hair loss and growth. Apple cider vinegar is a popular health food and condiment. It's prepared using apples and enriched with live cultures, minerals, and acids through a fermentation process. As a home cure, apple cider vinegar can be used for a variety of ailments. One of these uses is as a hair shampoo to help with scalp health, hair strength, and shine. This recipe is for you if you care about the health and appearance of your hair. It's made of rosemary and apple cider vinegar, two extremely potent compounds that can benefit your entire body, not just your capillaries. Because that's what it does, it's termed a natural, restoring conditioner. It restores shine, prevents hair loss, encourages growth, and fights dandruff. It acts as an astringent, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and disinfectant. In order to make this recipe, you will need 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, organic if possible, 3 tablespoons of rosemary, fresh or dry. Instructions and application. Put the vinegar and rosemary in a bowl. Let them sit for 20 minutes. Wash your hair well while the mixture sits. Only use shampoo. Conditioner won't be necessary. Rinse and dry well. After 20 minutes, strain the mixture and pour the rosemary and vinegar in another bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the mixture all over your scalp. When you're done applying it, massage your scalp with both hands, making circular motions with your fingers. After massaging well, let the conditioner react for 10 minutes. After that, wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and conditioner and rinse thoroughly to get rid of the rosemary and apple cider vinegar altogether. Once or twice a week, repeat the process. After that, wash your hair with your favorite shampoo and conditioner and rinse thoroughly to get rid of the rosemary and apple cider vinegar altogether. Once or twice a week, repeat the process. You can also put a little on your eyebrows and eyelashes. Wait 10 minutes and rinse it off before using this product. Rub some on your arm to see if you have an allergic reaction. If you do, stop using it. We hope you enjoyed this amazing apple cider vinegar for hair loss and growth video. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and then be sure to subscribe for more. And I'm always looking to make more of what you want to see. So leave a comment below and let me know what video I should do next. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.